Welcome to this video tutorial on using the meeting tools. In this tutorial, we will cover a review of the voting tool and how it's displayed in the note card. During most meetings, decisions will take place. And if we come across a meeting item that requires a decision, MeetingBooster has built-in tools to help that decision take place. Both the meeting host and the note taker have access to the Tools section. And here you can see we have the option to run a vote, use the Pro-Cons tool, as well as the Ratings tool. In this example, we're going to run a vote. By selecting the Voting section, I can define the information of this vote, beginning with the question itself, and I can also define the responses. Within the system, we have the option to choose from yes or no, agree or disagree, for and against, or you can choose to customize the attendees' responses. As you can see, I can have up to 5 different options, but I require a minimum of 2 options to run this vote. In this example, I've populated the possible responses for this vote, and beneath I can select from which attendees of this meeting will participate in this vote. In this example, all attendees will participate. I also have the option to select to choose this meeting remain anonymous. That way, in the meeting minutes, only the outcome of the vote will be displayed. Before we launch this vote, I have the option to preview. And if I want to make any additional changes to this vote, I can simply select Return to Setup. When you're ready to run the vote, press the Start item, and then I can take the results or the votes from my meeting attendees and consolidate them here using the voting tool. The vote is then collated and displayed very clearly beneath. And by selecting Done, the vote is then embedded within the meeting note card. If at any point I want to review or change any of the voting information, I can simply select on the vote itself.